Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fudge brownie pie. It's a traditional pie that has a fudgy brownie filling. It's topped with whipped cream and garnished with shaved chocolate. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, you're going to need a pie crust. I'll put a link to the recipe I'm using in the description box. And it also needs to be par-baked or blind-baked, and I showed how to do that in my pie crust troubleshooting video, and I'll link to that video in the description box as well. Once the pie crust is ready, preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Then into a small saucepan, add in the butter and unsweetened chocolate, and heat them on the stove over medium-low heat until they're both melted, stirring it occasionally. Once they're melted, remove it from the heat and set it aside for now. Then into a large bowl, add in the brown sugar, white sugar, and flour, and whisk them until they're well combined. Then add in the chocolate mixture and mix it until it's combined. Then add in the eggs, milk, and vanilla extract, and mix them together until it's combined. Pour the batter into the prepared pie crust. Place the pie onto a sheet pan and bake it in the oven for about 50 minutes until the filling is set. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely. To make the whipped cream, in a medium bowl, add in the cold heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla extract, and whip them with an electric mixer until it forms stiff peaks. Try not to over-whip it. Once the pie is completely cooled, spread the whipped cream all over the top. The pie must be completely cooled or the whipped cream will melt. Then use a vegetable peeler to shave some chocolate on top of it. And when you're ready to serve, just cut out a slice and serve. And that's how to bake a fudge brownie pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.